What's up, everybody? Alright, today we're checking out the new Redcat Gen 8 V2 that took me so long to say properly. Anyway, we got in the back the white, the Gen 8 build kit that you could have bought. I don't know if this discontinued anymore, but the build kit was introduced right after the first RTR Gen 8. And then there was the build kit, and then now there is the V2. But yeah, the V2's basically got all the problems, all the bugs, all the links, all that figured out, I guess. You know, they upgraded the diff, which was my buddy's first main issue. Was not the diff, but the little pinion gears inside the torque housing for differentials for each wheel. Because I believe it's some weird thing they call it. But right now we're just gonna be testing out the V2 in just basic scenarios, just angles, going up steep incline, seeing if the tires and everything could work. But right now he's using the Gen 7 tires, which is kind of cheating. But you know what? I don't think that should really matter. We're just trying to test out the whole geometry of how it's set up. He did not tune it, but when he does tune these things, they are crazy. I gave him my truck, amazing. Right now, we're at the first stupid and crazy obstacle I always hate hitting. He always hates hitting because it takes so long to get over. But this is the first time we're testing the V2 on it, so enjoy. We always try not to take a bump from each other just because it's kind of cheating. But since it's the RTR and it's right out of the box, why not? Just give it a little help, see if it needs that little bit of push. It's even hard for my truck to make it up this. Taking it to the favorite infamous hill climb spot. Okay, so far, so good. V2 seems to hold up pretty good to our little torture trail. Cause yeah, any truck that goes down there, you're at least coming out with 5 flips, 6 flips, maybe more. If you got less, you're a good damn driver. But he is definitely gonna prepare a video of the tune for the V2, and he's got a video of the tune on that white truck right there. So that's gonna be dope. I actually gotta take another video of us doing another little trail teaser. We are making a course somewhere in this park, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be crazy. We got tents and a whole bunch of other little crazy stuff to make the little course look absolutely epic. We're bringing the whole tools, shovel, everything. Well, I am coming out there real quick because you don't really need anything that big. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will definitely let you guys know when he is uploading this new video. So you know what? You know, just keep in touch on my Instagram at driven_dreams. Master controller? I don't know.
Yeah, bro. I'm using one remote, bro.
The 2-thumb driver.
Bro, it's actually pretty difficult. This is like Forza times 10.
Gotta say, but I had no idea.